Hello friends, welcome to my complete Java course. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn difference between string class and string buffer class. This question is mostly asked in the interview. What is the difference between string class and string buffer class? So let's start. String buffer was string. String buffer class is a mutable class. String class is immutable class. A string buffer is fast and consume less memory when you concat strings. A string is slow and consume more memory when you concat too many strings because every time it creates a new instance. String buffer class doesn't override the equal method of object class. String class overrides the equals method of object class, so you can compare the contents of two strings by equals method. Performance test of string and string buffer class. So let's we check the performance testing that so here we create a test class. In the test class we create a method concate with string. Means in this method we are concatenating the string class object. Okay. So here first we create a Java string reference or string object by using the literal string t equal to Java. And in this Java we add 10,000 time world. We are adding Java world 10,000 times and return t. Again, this is the another method concate with string buffer. We use the append method and also we are adding the world string into the Java string which is the string buffer object and returning the string. Okay, or we just call the toString method. So toString method convert the string buffer object to string object. Okay, now we check the time. How much time is taken to append 10,000 times world by using the string object, or how much time taken by the string buffer to add the world string into the Java string by using the string buffer class. So by using the system class, system is a class. There is one method in the system class current time miles, which give the current time. Okay, then we call the concate with string method. So from here we get the string time, and from here so in this we the current time we pass in the start time variable. After the calling this method, we get the difference between the starting time and the end time of the execution of the concate with string method. So you will get the time in how much time this method add the two string 10,000 time. This is also done with the string buffer class. We call the current time miles method to get the start time, then call the concate with string buffer method, then get the difference between the start time of the methods and end time of the method. So if you look that the time taken by concatenating with string is 391 millisecond and time taken by concatenating with string buffer is 1 millisecond. So you can assume that how much time is taken by the string class for the concatenation. If there are a lot of concatenation operation, and if you are using the string class, it is a time taking process. But if you are using the string buffer, it take less time. Let's I show you on Eclipse IDE. So friends, I just copy the code from the slide. So this is a method to concatenating two string 10,000 times by using the strings concate method, or by using the append method, by using the plus operator. Both are the same, either you use the concatenate method or plus operator, but in the concatenate method you can add only two string. Okay, so again this is the method for appending or adding string 10,000 times by using the string buffer append method, or this is the appending of the string buffer object, and this is the appending the string in the string object. Here we create a main method and getting the current time and calling the method. Then we are getting the difference between the start time and the end time of the execution of the method. Okay, so if you run this program, you will get the output. Time taken by the concatenating with a string is 479 millisecond, and time taken by concatenating with string buffer is 1 millisecond. So you can see what is the time difference between the concatenating two object of the string class and the string buffer class. Now string and string buffer hash code test. As you can see in the program given below, string return a new hash code value when you concate string, but string buffer return the same hash code when you append the string. So here we create a instance test class, create a main method. In this main method, we create a string object and print the hashcode method. Now we append, now we concate the string object, and again we print the hashcode. You will get the same hashcode. So, in the string class, you will get the two different hashcode. So this and this are the different hash code. But if you are create the string by using the string buffer class and print the hash code method, then append some string in the existing string buffer object, and again you print the hash code method, you will get the same hash code method. So in the string class, if you perform the concatenation operation, the new object will be created and new hash code will be generated. But in the case of string buffer, the if you print the hash code method before the concatenating or before the appending the string, and after the appending, you will get the same hash code method. Let's say show you on Eclipse IDE. So here I have created a test class, and here I create a statement hash code test of string, and we create a string class object, then print the hash code method of this string object, then we perform the concatenation operator, then we print the hash code method, again we perform this operation on the string buffer class. When we run this program, we will get the output. String class gives a two different hash code method. It means if we perform any changes in the object, it create a new object and create a new hash code. And string buffer does not create a new hash code method. It means it doesn't create a new object. So this is the difference between the string class and string buffer class. So friends, this was all about the differences between string and string buffer class. Thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Java.